Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and today I'm here to install and review CASETiFY's tempered glass screen protector for the iPhone 12 Pro Max and check out its fit with CASETiFY's Impact and Ultra Impact cases. CASETiFY's tempered glass screen protector offers edge-to-edge protection and is protected with DEFENSiFY, CASETiFY's antimicrobial treatment, which eliminates 99% of bacteria. However, it does not come with an installer, which may make installation a bit trickier. Let's check it out. Looking in the box, we've got our installation instructions, and then we've got a packet here which is going to have the screen protector as well as installation tools. So looking further inside, we've got our edge-to-edge screen protector, we've got a small dust removal sticker, we've got a very small microfiber cloth, and we have both a wet wipe and a dry wipe. So to start off with, make sure you're working in as clean, dust-free, and well-lit environment as possible. You're going to need to remove any case you might have on your phone as well as any existing screen protectors, and then you're going to want to make sure you get your phone as clean as possible. Sadly, I have to remove the RhinoShield 3D Impact screen protector. It's one of those flexible polymer screen protectors, and it's been a really excellent screen protector on my phone, but I've got to give the CASETiFY screen protector a try. Next, open up your wet wipe and use that to clean your screen, and then take your dry wipe and use that to dry off your screen. Next, you can use the microfiber cloth to get things cleaned up a little bit more, and then follow that up with the dust removal sticker to remove any remaining specks of dust. Next, take a careful look at the screen protector itself. This is on a hard plastic backing, which you're going to need to carefully peel away from the screen protector. Be sure not to touch the adhesive side with your fingers while you're doing this. Hold it by the sides, then carefully align it over the screen. Make sure that you have it perfectly aligned before you set it down. Basically, your ear speaker is the only thing you're going to be able to align it to, that and the sides and the bottom and the top, obviously, of your phone screen. There's no more home button to line up to like we used to have with earlier versions of the iPhone. Take your time in this process, and only when you have a perfect alignment should you let it down, and then press it so that it adheres to your phone screen. Just before you put down the screen protector, you might want to go over your screen one more time with a dust removal sticker to make sure that no little bits of dust have settled down on top of your screen in the meantime. Okay, well, as you can see, we finally have quite a nice result here. There were bubbles that were left over after installation, and I had to get those out by using a combination of my fingertips, my fingernails, and the microfiber cloth they included. But they did come out, and the final result is actually quite nice. This is a lot harder to put on than a screen protector that comes with an installer. I had some difficulty getting it aligned correctly. Finally got it aligned correctly, but it was a bit of a pain, so I really wish that CASETiFY had included an installer with this. We've got basically edge-to-edge protection. Doesn't go quite as far over to the edge as some edge-to-edge screen protectors. And I do have this on very slightly crooked, as you can see. We have a little bit more space on this side than on this side. But in terms of the space in the bottom, again, it's not quite all the way over to the edge, but close. We've got nice rounded edges on here. This is only 0.33 millimeters thick. I think overall everything looks good. And once you get it on here, just a really nice screen protector. We have coverage here for the notch. Overall, really quite nice. In terms of look, feel, and performance, everything is very good here. This is a very responsive screen protector, no problems with haptic touch. Optical clarity is excellent. You've got a nice slippery oleophobic coating on here, very fingerprint resistant, and overall this is just a pleasure to use. And of course, don't forget this is protected by DEFENSiFY, giving you antimicrobial protection as well. Now in terms of scratch protection, this has 9H hardness, which means it's going to be very good against scratching. However, it's not going to be quite as good against impact as the polymer screen protector that I just took off, the RhinoShield 3D Impact Screen Protector. So that's a flexible polymer material, special impact resistant polymer, and it's going to be really good against impacts. However, not so good against scratching, not so good against fingerprints. So it's a bit of a trade-off there, depends upon what is more important to you. But if you're looking for protection against scratching that's going to be very similar to your native iPhone screen, you're probably going to be happier with a tempered glass screen protector like this. So as far as case compatibility is concerned, this is going to work with CASETiFY cases as well as many cases from other brands. It is edge to edge, but it's not extremely edge to edge. You still do have a little bit of space here on the edges, and this is going to allow it to work with a lot of cases. If we look here at this Speck Presidio 2 case, it's going to fit absolutely fine with that. No problems. And as you can see, basically edge to edge coverage here. Or perhaps the Mous Limitless 4.0. Again, really excellent fit here. And then of course with CASETiFY's cases, here with their impact case. Definitely a great fit here. As you can see, we just have that tiny, tiny edge of uncovered screen. Very good coverage here, but still leaves you with quite a nice protective lip because this is only 0.33 millimeters thick. Really nice look here with the impact case. Love this teal color. It's part of their Pure Colors collection. Looks absolutely lovely. If you're not familiar with the impact case, this is going to give you 6.6 feet of drop protection. Lovely slim look. Great feel in the hand because you have these nice grippy TPU sides, and this is protected with Chi-Tech. And then finally with the Ultra Impact case from CASETiFY. This is their more protective version. Gives you 9.8 feet of drop protection. And just a lovely fit here. Great fit with the screen protector. Everything looks great. Got these extra protective corners here with CASETiFY's Chi-Tech material, giving you additional protection. Again, really slim fit on here for that level of drop protection. Just a very nice case from CASETiFY and a great combination with this screen protector. So with the two of these together, both of them are protected by DEFENSiFY. So if you go with a CASETiFY case and a CASETiFY screen protector, your phone is going to be protected in an antimicrobial bubble. So lots of excellent protection there. So overall, really nice product here from CASETiFY. You've got that 9H hardness, you've got an excellent oleophobic coating, great optical clarity, and this is going to do a very good job in staying scratch-free because of that 9H hardness. The only issue that I have with this is its lack of an installer. Perhaps CASETiFY will decide to include one in the next version. Again, we've been looking at CASETiFY's tempered glass screen protector in Impact and Ultra Impact cases for iPhone 12 Pro Max. These products are available directly from CASETiFY and are priced at $35 for the screen protector and $60 for the Impact case and $64 for the Ultra Impact. However, if you bundle a screen protector together with a case, you can save $10 as the screen protector price goes down to $25. In addition, you can save 15% on your CASETiFY purchase by using the affiliate link, especially for my viewers, www.casetify.com www.casetify.com/thetechreviewer. Many thanks to the kind folks at CASETiFY for sending me out these samples to review. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Finally, please consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss out on my upcoming tech product reviews and unboxings. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.